This is a tale of two clients. We're going to look at HTTPClient, which is a very simple client. It's just one class in Squeak. Most of its messages are on the class side. The second client we're going to look at is Firefox, which is a rather more sophisticated client. So to compare the two, we'll set up Wireshark on localhost and we'll execute a request using HTTPClient, and we get this nice string response from Seaside, which doesn't do a whole lot. I mean, we stop our request, look, and we see there's a request to Seaside and there's a response. If we look at the response in a little more detail, well, we will see that the string that it returned is exactly the same as the string we saw in Squeak right there. That string is that string. So we'll reset Wireshark on localhost, and we'll do the same thing again with Firefox. We'll send the same message, same request. We get this compelling website, and we see something's a little bit different. We have the same initial request and response at the top there. Then we have lots more requests and responses. Firefox is doing a lot more with this string than HTTPClient. We've got requests for CSS and JavaScript and that kind of thing. But Firefox does start with exactly the same string, so it's doing something different. Inside this string are 6 links, and Firefox is executing those links and getting resources to make the website. So getting a website is sort of a two-part process. You send a request and a response, and then you get kind of a list or an invoice list of things that are also required. And HTTPClient doesn't go out and get them, but Firefox does. We can switch to Firebug in Firefox to see the execution of those other links. Both clients started with the same response, but Firefox went out and got the rest of the resources required to make a web page. It's worth noting that Seaside creates that initial response, but it's the browser that goes out and gets the rest of the resources to make a site.